Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. Me no know how much I want to watch a video when me post the other day about my friend who send money to Jamaica to her sister for bill house, and when she go there, all she see is so dirt. People wicked, you know my people. Last night me I surf the internet and coupon that video me book upon. Similar situation. But the Bible tell us vengeance is mine, said the Lord. But sometime in a dem situation, yeah, then we make you do things where you don't want to do, My people, listen to this, and you will see all people devious deception at its finest.
I don't even know where to begin. When I tell you, people wicked, people wicked. And sometimes you might think, say, a stranger wicked, but sometimes my own family. Ain't no my own fault in a life. I live with family too much. I love family too much. I left and go to America for 6.5 years. When I left, I never planned. I left, I never leave with the intention not to come back. I come back. I went to, for 2 weeks for go back for go look my daughter visa, because guess what? I mess up my visa. I never want to revoke it. However, I stay America. I have all of my ups and downs. I start from the floor and I work my way up. I show a partner up here. I save. I had to save the money in my sister account because she had to take care of my daughter. I pay rent for over the 6 years. I buy food. I ensure them have clothes. When a birthday, I send the biggest clothes plus money. I do everything. Fast forward to that, last year was one of my roughest years, because guess what? My patient was put into nursing home and I lost my job, and I did hard to get a job. It was one day, there's someone 2 days. However, I get a job in October. I'm at work 12-hour shift, 7 days a week, just to see if I could make the trip for come see my daughter. Because my daughter said, Mommy, the greatest wish I would have to see her for Christmas, and I want that for happen. I'm a work 12-hour shifts, 7 days a week to come to Jamaica. Come here, said, me buy up things to my family, them everybody two suit for this, that time. I spend up my money, do everything for come for them. Come here, say, even if me now know about money to come to Jamaica, I have $1 million odd plus US in my account at Jamaica. I asked my sister in April to send me a bank statement, and she said take so long. And I said no, I don't think my sister would have spent half my money. I don't think so. She give me the bank statement with $1 million plus US in a account. So I say yes, but I have the money for come down. And would you believe me? So my sister make me come to Jamaica. And when I asked her to draw 100,000, give me how she could have find a 95, and out of the US account she change it out and give me. Me come to Jamaica, no money, me millionaire, and me US then clean sweep out of my account. My sister takes me a long text for years, so I go to Jamaica, oh she's sorry, she this and that. And the tabo says she knows she me will take care of her daughter. And I act like say she want to kill herself, and I play a mind game for me. And I pay a mind game for me, and I got to make me know say from 2021 she live out from my account. And bear in mind, me pay rent, me buy food, me do everything, me not send nothing come to Jamaica, or me not send nothing for me daughter, or me not send for my sister. And me come and my sister spend off all of my money. And me tell her, man, me never know some people could have wicked, so me tell her, I said, better she did pay one man for kill me, because me love my sister to my heart, and me think my sister have me back. Or me tell her, say, that people 100,000 me could get out of the million. Out of the account of the US account she turned to, where I probably have about 1,500 US dollars, change it out and give me, because I always say, me I go send more US, but it's like God send me enough to send it, because if me did send it, my sister would have spent off everything. My sister bring me down to the ground. My sister, me not know. Me never know say people could have wicked to me so. Me never expect this from her. Me know say I'm more than $1 million for my account, but you me trust her. I mean, I say even if she touch one and two money, you know, I know nothing. Me know Jamaica rough. Sister spend off every dollar. And I look at me and say she go find a way to pay me back. Where I go find a way to pay me back in Jamaica? We're so rough. Me there me have to go try to go back home because I have no money to spend. I'm going to tell you, family always going to be my downfall. This is my second time family make me lose much money in life. I'm going to tell you, me done. Different from my mother, me done. Me done with family. Family wicked, who know me say. Me take care of my sister. And my sister spend off all of my money. And me come here to no money to spend. But it's all good. God not sleep. He might make me rise again. And me shall not suffer. And me shall not go back to America and be homeless. Because it's the God who me serve. You're not going to punish.
I'm at loss for words. What can go so? My granny would have said, Papa Jesus, take a case and give me a pillow. My people wanna think